Hi, everyone. My name is Tilakaraj. I'm a senior network engineer and cloud architect. So I'm going to show you what is the importance of gateway. So here you can see two network, office and internet. So if you see in office, we have a router, which is a WAN router because it's connect two different areas. One is internet and a LAN. Okay. So that's the reason I'm telling WAN. So it's part of two different role. It's playing two different role, and one of the role is LAN, another role is WAN. So from a LAN users mostly private. They use private IP, and WAN it's internet, right? So here you can see that in the router two internet router, you can see multiple interface. One of the interface loopback one, which we can consider as a YouTube. Okay, and the router 0 has two interface, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0, which connects to the internet router, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0 by 1, which connects to the office LAN network. So which is 10.121.13.0/24. So in the router side, I just made .1, and for user it is a .2. Okay, same subnet. And here you can see we are going to test the connectivity from this PC to the YouTube router. I'm going to ping. So let's see whether we are able to connect. I have already made the routing between router 1 and router 2, like office router to internet router. Only thing here we are going to see the gateway importance. So I'm trying to ping YouTube. It's not pinging. From the PC is the internal network, office from office, and when we are trying to reach internet, it is one of the internet service like YouTube. We are not able to reach. Let's see where it is drops. So we can use trace RT, and I'm going to try. It took actually more time. Like you can see, like since it's just a two hop, right? Like router 1 and router 2, like internet. So, but it should not take this much time. It should be very minimal, like millisecond. But it's you can see there is something is happening. Really a major issue. The PC is not able to reach the gateway itself. You can see the request timeout is coming. Let's drop this trace and try to ping our gateway, whether the PC is able to reach the gateway. 13.1. The gateway is reachable. Okay. So PC is able to reach gateway. Let's check the router from the office router to internet service like YouTube. I'm opening this router. The router 0 is office router. I'm going to ping YouTube. Yeah, I'm able to ping. The first packet drop is very genuine because it's trying to learn the ARP address for the destination. That is the learning period. So we can ignore. So each exponent symbol is 2 seconds. Okay, milliseconds. Okay, fine. We can show that router is able to reach youtube.com. So then what could be the issue? The trace also drops and there is no information. Let's verify the IP config. You can see the IP config. The system IP address 10.121.13.2 with the /24. Yeah, they are part of same. But if you see, the default gateway is none. It's a default 0.0.0.0. We have to correct that. So let's go IP configuration and let's copy that and put the default network, default gateway IP 10.120.13.1. Let's verify now. Now we said that I'm going to now command prompt, and let's check the configuration is reflected. Yes, it's reflected with the gateway IP. Now verify the reachability to YouTube.com. Yeah, it's pinging. So now you understood. Like before, this particular laptop is able to reach the default gateway, but not to the different network. So without default gateway, you will be able to reach same network. But if you want to reach different network, you need the default gateway. Okay. So that is a key thing about default gateway. Without default gateway, you can't reach different network. So let's try the trace route. What is happening? Where it is forwarding the traffic. So when we try to reach a different network, it's forwarding the trace to the default gateway. So what is the default gateway? It's a router always or L3 device. So I hope this video gives some idea about default gateway or gateway. Thanks for watching.